Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mary. This video is a skincare anti-haul video, which means I will be talking about all those products which I won't be buying and why I won't be buying them. So let's get started. First product is Garnier Vitamin C Booster Serum. I checked on their website for the ingredient list, but it was not available there. Another thing is they also don't mention the percentage of vitamin C that is used. They just call it a vitamin C booster serum, which gives 30 times more vitamin C. Now 30 times could mean anything. The actual percentage is not mentioned of vitamin C, which is very important for everyone, especially for people who have sensitive skin and for people who are starting with actives and vitamin C serums. It's important to know the percentage so that they can start with a lower percentage. Let's talk about the packaging. It comes in a clear bottle, which is another thing which is not great because vitamin C should always be packaged in a dark glass bottle. If it is packaged in a transparent bottle, once it comes in contact with sunlight, it starts oxidizing and the formulation becomes unstable very quickly. So it is important to package it in a dark glass bottle. When I could not find the ingredient list on their website, I searched on Amazon and I found in one of the reviews there was a picture with the ingredient list. That is what I referred to. When I took a look at the ingredient list, as you can see, the third ingredient itself is alcohol, which is very bad for sensitive skin and for dry skin because it dries out the skin, and it is third in the ingredient list, which means the percentage and the quantity used is very high as compared to other ingredients. The ingredient, as you can see, is BHT, which is a preservative used in a lot of skincare and personal care products, but the percentage of BHT should be less than 1%. However, it's very high up. Next ingredient, as you can see, is linalool. This is another type of alcohol, which just shows that there are too many types of alcohol that are placed. Another ingredient is fragrance. So after 2-3 different types of alcohol, there is fragrance. There are some good ingredients like citric acid, lemon fruit extract, citrus fruit extract, but it is very low on the list. The arrow shows all of the good ingredients, which is very low, which means it is less quantity than alcohol, fragrance and all of those other things. These are the reasons why I wouldn't want to buy. Next product is the Lakme Peach Milk Ultra Light Gel Moisturizer. The texture of this product is very similar to Pond's Ultra Light Gel Moisturizer. I have not tried Pond's Ultra Light Gel, but I have tried the Pond's Light Moisturizer. I have reviewed that product and I found it to be filled with a lot of fragrance, and it did sensitize my skin, not immediately. It did it over a period of 2 weeks. Lakme has displayed their ingredient list on Amazon very clearly, so let's take a look at the ingredient list. Second ingredient is a silicone. A lot of people don't like silicone based products. It breaks them out, so if you don't like silicones, then this moisturizer is not fit for you. Next thing which I wanted to show is that peach extract comes after fragrance as per their ingredient list, which means the thing that they are marketing as peach milk moisturizer, but the peach extract comes after fragrance, which means fragrance is more than peach extract that is used. Fragrance is very sensitizing, not good for sensitive skin, not good for any skin type, but especially for sensitive skin. This moisturizer also uses BHT, which is a preservative. It's very high up on the ingredient list. After BHT, there is the same ingredient, linalool, which is like an alcohol. So that is why I wouldn't want to try it, because this is very similar to the Pond's moisturizer. This will again break me out because of alcohol, silicones and fragrance in this. Let's talk about the third product, which is very interesting, is the face washes with an inbuilt face brush. Now I am not mentioning any particular brand because there are a lot of different brands that have tried this concept and are marketing their face washes along with an inbuilt brush. Let me share my thoughts on it. First of all, most of these inbuilt face brush, it comes with a foaming face wash. I am not a big fan of foaming face washes because they have excess amount of those surfactants and those lathering agents to give that foaming effect. Now this is not very great for sensitive skin because of the excess amount of surfactant that forms lather. A gentle, mild, gel based face wash should be good enough for sensitive skin. Let's talk about the brush. The bristles can be designed in a way that can be very gentle on the skin, I agree, but still, no matter how gentle the bristles are, it is still exfoliating your skin to a certain extent. So this is something I wouldn't advise you to use every single day. Now if you're buying a foaming face wash with an inbuilt brush, you're already spending that money for the packaging. They'll obviously include the price of the inbuilt brush, the design and the packaging cost in the MRP. So now you are already paying additional cost for the inbuilt brush, and when you're not using it every day, you're not making full use of the entire product, and it's like not completely worth it. If you notice a difference, if that particular brand has let's say if they have a vitamin C face wash with the regular tube packaging, let's say it costs 250 rupees. So the one which is a foaming vitamin C face wash with an inbuilt brush, that would cost around, let's say, 399. Now there's a lot of difference in the price of both these products, but both these products would be very similar. If they are manufactured by the same brand, they'll be using similar formulation, so it's better to go for the one without inbuilt brush in it. So this is the reason why I wouldn't buy a face wash with an inbuilt brush. It definitely looks very interesting and it's nice for all those videos to make it attractive, but not worth it. Next product is LOreal Revitalift Micro Essence. They say that it is a micro essence. It moisturizes the skin and also makes the skin very smooth and soft. It has crystals infused in it. Crystal infused skincare is another whole topic which a lot of things can be spoken about it, but in short, crystal infused, you're not putting crystals on your skin. It is just maybe dipped in some kind of a crystal, and that water or any liquid is used to make the essence or serums. Just a marketing term that is used by companies to attract customers, because let's say even if these things are directly put in a product, they cannot penetrate the skin. So that's not something very useful for the skin as it is advertised. Anyways, let's talk about the ingredients of LOreal Revitalift Micro Essence. The third ingredient is alcohol, as you can see, which is very high up on the ingredient list. Not a great ingredient to start with. As I said, very drying for dry skin and sensitizing for sensitive skin. No actual benefits from use of this chemical. Next is fragrance also is put in this essence. As you can see this arrow, they point out towards all the different types of alcohol that is used. They just listed with different names, but they are all different types of alcohol, which means there is much more alcohol than any other skin benefiting ingredient, which is not a great thing. Fifth product is another not very useful product, another attractive thing in skincare, glitter based peel off mask. In general, they are not good for the skin because they put a lot of ingredients that have glue like function, so that you can rip it off easily from your skin. Now those ingredients are not needed. Why would you need all those things in a face mask? We would need all the skin benefiting ingredient in a face mask because we keep it for a longer time than just a face wash or wash off product. So product which you have to keep on your skin for a longer period of time should definitely include a lot of beneficial ingredients. Now glitter based peel off mask was another trend because it looks very attractive in videos, and the benefit of putting glitters on the face in skincare especially is very harsh, and for sensitive, it's harsh for any skin type. So this is not something which I would want to buy. So these were some of the products which I wouldn't buy and the reasons I wouldn't buy. I hope you found something valuable in this video, and if you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel for more videos related to skincare, DIY and makeup too, and you can find a lot of these videos from the description box down below. Yes, that's it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.